What happens when BMW brings a classic icon back to life with modern tech, refined performance, and unmistakable heritage? You get the 2026 BMW R80. And trust me, this is one retro revival you're going to want to hear more about. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the best new rides on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 BMW R80, a bold blend of timeless design and future-ready engineering. Design. Let's start with the design. BMW took clear inspiration from the original 80s R80 with signature cues like the air-cooled boxer-style engine look, round headlight, and classic tank shape. But look closer and everything's been modernized. Clean LED lighting, lightweight aluminum frame, and minimalist digital dash bring this retro ride into the present without losing its soul. Performance. Under the hood, or rather the tank, sits a modern 800cc boxer twin tuned for smooth mid-range torque and everyday rideability. It's not a track monster, but that's not the point. This bike is buttery smooth on twisty roads, light on its feet in the city, and just powerful enough to keep a big grin on your face. Features and technology. Tech-wise, BMW included selectable ride modes, traction control, ABS, and even optional adaptive cruise control. Yes, on a neo-retro bike. The TFT display is compact but smartly laid out, and the ergonomic setup makes this a solid choice for commuting or weekend cruising. Conclusion. The 2026 R80 isn't just a throwback, it's a respectful reimagining of a legend. It's for riders who want character, comfort, and charm in one beautifully crafted machine. What do you think? Did BMW do the icon justice? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, share with your fellow riders, and make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth motorcycle content every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.